Pinag-uusapan ngayon sa social media ang nasabi nga pong pag-congratulate ng Showbiz Insider na si OG Diaz sa kanilang vlog na nakaraan lamang, nito lamang ilang araw na nakakalipas at ang successful na concert ng SB19. Subalit sa kanilang vlog, may mga kritisismo din na naganap katulad ng sinasabi ni Oliver na hindi siya nabigyan ng ticket na may nangako daw sa kanya pero parang nag-text siya walang response. So, sa makatuwid na pag-usapan ito, na topic ito, na tackle ito, pero ang lumabas matapos ang kanilang congratulatory message sa SB19 dahil sa successful ng concert, ay dinaw na nila ang boys na kesyo nangako ng ticket pero parang hindi ibinigay, na kesyo nagbenta ng mga ticket mismo dun sa concert pero hindi na makita pa ang SB19. So, ganyan yung mga kanilang na topic na which is mismong mga 18 na nandun sa concert ay puro maganda ang mga sinasabi. Pero itong mga hindi nakapunta, may mga nasasabing hindi maganda. Kaya naman, ang dalawang vlogger na ito na fan ng SB19 ay hindi na napigilan na magsalita. Si Kurt De Leon, sinabi niya na OG Diaz and the Cockroaches versus SB19 sa kanyang naging vlog. But anyway, narito po ang naging post ng isang Jeneline Sanico Agustin at ang kanyang naging pahayag. Aniya, skip the noise, support reaction videos with real on-point insights. Check out Casual Chuck and Kurt De Leon for genuine takes on SB19. My take, we respect your space and your professionalism. You're doing your job, no question about that. But as 18, who've seen the wave of genuine reactions and real wow moments from people who actually witnessed the SB19 Was concert, it honestly comes off as a big performative, like a backhanded kind of congratulations. We get it, it's your content and your perspective. But if the goal is to stay relevant and credible in the industry, maybe it's time to shift the lens. Highlight the artistry, the discipline, the world-class talent because that's where the real substance is, not in surface level glow-up takes or assumptions about someone's attitude, especially when it comes to Stel who has already addressed himself with clarity and sayang because voices like yours carry weight. Mas lalong tumitibay sana ang influence if it uplifts. What truly matters, skills, growth, and contribution to the culture, not narratives that feel recycled or unnecessarily negative. Mature na audience ngayon, they can tell the difference between critic with substance and content that learns more toward a clout. SB19 has already proven their worth through hard work, talent, and purpose. The conversation could match that level, but it chose not to. Patuloy ng mensahe, sinabi niyang in a space where not everything is said with pure intent, some may try to wrap their congratulations in noise, bringing up shallow, baseless issues just to steer attention, but that only reflects more on them than on SB19 or 18. If there's going to be criticism, at least make it meaningful, rooted in truth and worthy of the level or artistry, discipline, and hard work that SB19 continuously pours into elevating Philippine music, art, and culture. Because at the end of the day, real impact isn't built on anti-takes or clout-chasing narratives. It's built on talent, integrity, and purpose, the very things SB19 embodies, and no amount of noise can overshadow that. Ang mahirap lang kasi ang haba nung time sa SB19 and may comparison pa sa ibang group. Kaya sa inang isa, grabe ang daming magandang reviews sa SB19 pero nahanapan nyo talaga ng di maganda. Haba pa ng oras nyo para dyan. May comparison pa sa Bini. Wala pang nakukuhang something from SB. Nanonood ako lagi dito pero pag SB19 na ganyan lagi ang sinasabi nyo, wale. Say pa ng ilan, buti pa yung mga bumili ng ticket sa concert walang reklamo at nag-enjoy sa concert. Yung iba, naghanap ng deprensya. Polite at humble ang SB19. Wala kaming naririnig na negative sa lahat ng nakakatrabaho nila. Mababait sila at marunong makisama at matatalino rin. Pero di sila tag-GA. Alam nila kung sinong mga peke at gagamitin lang sila. tatanggapin ko ang negative comments kung pumunta sa concert. Wala eh. May nagsabi lang daw. Lokohin mo pa kami. At yan ang ating Showbiz Snap update. Images are all credit to the rightful owners. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching Showbiz Snap.